Alright, today is gonna be a very short video. So if you probably noticed, I have new seat covers, which is Nappa leather. If you haven't seen that video, the link will be in the description below. Everything, I like it. I like the seat covers. But if you look at my, what do you call it, center console, it doesn't really match. So I have this cover from Amazon. This is like a black cloth. OEM one is gray leather. It doesn't match. Fortunately, I have these two center console covers from Muslogy. Is that how you say it? Muslogy. So I got two. They sent me two, and it's black leather, so it's perfect with this one. So let's see the difference between the two and installation. Number one. Ooh, all right. So the inside has cushions to it, and that's just a strap. Easy to install. Just slide it over. Got that stitch accent right there. Probably this goes in the front, or is it the brand that goes to the front? We'll see. Next one. It's like almost the same, but this doesn't have that padding. Okay, still just a band. You just slip it through. All right, let's take a look at the difference of both. All right, let's put the pattern one first. All right, that was easy. Yeah, so you can see the gray part in here. It's because of the padding. I feel like it pushes the cover upward more. I like the sides though. This definitely matches the seat covers and black leather. All right, let's switch it to the other one that doesn't have a padding. All right, no padding. Kind of like this better because of how soft it is. It kind of contours a little bit better without the foam. But yeah, you can still see that gray right there. Well, there you have it. Center console covers from Muslogy. So me personally, I prefer the one that doesn't have a foam. Number one, I feel like it hugs the center console better than this one because the foam kind of pushes the covers out of the contour of the center console. I don't know if that makes sense. And number two, because of that foam, when I put my hand in here, I feel like it's a little bit higher, so it's not relaxed. With the one that doesn't have the foam, I feel like my position is a little more relaxed. Then I feel like it's gonna be tense. Well, we'll see. If I don't like this, I'll definitely switch it to the one with the foam. But if you need center console covers for your 5th gen 4Runner, take a look at Muslogy and Amazon. If this video has given you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.